In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter business expenses paid personally in Xero. Understanding how to properly record these transactions is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. So let's dive right in and make sure everything is set up correctly. First, start by navigating to the recorded bill in Xero that corresponds to the business expense you paid out of your own pocket. Once you've located that bill, take a moment to double-check its details to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. It's important to confirm that the amounts and the vendor details are correct, because any discrepancies could lead to incorrect financial reporting down the line. Next, you'll want to focus on the Make a Payment section of this recorded bill. In this area, you'll find an option labeled Paid From. Here, you need to select Owner Drawings. By choosing this, you're indicating that the payment was made using personal funds. Essentially, it signifies that the expense came straight from the owner's own finances, which might just be yours if you're handling multiple roles in your business. Once you've configured the payment correctly, go ahead and select Add Payment. This action will officially record the payment in Xero's system, accurately reflecting that the expense was settled using owner funds and not directly from the business's bank account. It's a simple yet vital step to make sure all your financial data remains transparent and traceable. However, if you find that Owner's Drawings isn't available as a selection under the Paid From category, there's no need to worry. This simply means you'll need to take a few additional steps to set things up. Head over to the Chart of Accounts in Xero, where you'll need to create a new liabilities account. When setting this up, ensure that you give the account a clear and intuitive name, something like Owner's Drawings or Personal Expenses Paid, so that it's easy to identify and categorize similar transactions to this account in the future. Once you've added this new account, go back to the bill and follow the initial steps to record the payment using the newly created Owner Drawings account. By doing this, you'll ensure that all your personal expenses related to the business are tracked correctly, improving your bookkeeping and making it far easier to review your financials. And that's all there is to it. Integrating personal expense transactions into Xero might seem a bit tricky at first, but with these steps, you'll have a simple and effective way to manage them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep your records updated for smoother financial management.